folkways and social control. Objectives, overview, meaning of folkways, definition of folkways, characteristics of folkways, importance of folkways, and conclusion. American sociologist William Graham Sumner, who coined the term folkways or social convention that are not considered to be of moral significance by members of the group. Folkways are distinguished from mores not by their content but by the degree to which group members are compelled to conform to them, by the degree of importance, by the severity of punishment if they are violated, or by the intensity of feelings associated with adherence to them. The folkways are simple habits of action comes to the members of the group. They are the ways of folks that are somewhat standardized and have some degree of sanction for their persistence. What is meant by folkways? Behavior patterns of everyday life which generally arises unconsciously in a group. Folk means group, ways means behavior. Hence, folkways means group behavior. Can you define folkways? The folkways are simple habits of action common to the members of groups. They are the way of folk that are somewhat standardized and have some degree of traditional sanction for their persistence. Next definition, the folkways are the recognized or accepted way of behavior in the society. Characteristics of folkways. First character, spontaneous origin. It's originated naturally. Second, approved behavior accepted by every members of group. Three, distinctiveness differ for every groups in society. Four, hereditary ascribed from generation to generation. 5. Folkways arise spontaneously out of the fundamental fact that man must act in order to live. They generally arise unconsciously in a group, such as shaking hand, without planned or rational thought. 6. Folkways develop out of group experience. They are passed down from generation to generation through interaction. 7. Folkways change as culture change, or when we enter different situations. 8. Folkways are the weakest norms, which are most often violated but least likely to carry any severe punishment. Violation of folkways bring only mild censure in the form of some smiles, glances, or occasional commands from others. 9. Folkways are not looked on by most people as moral matters. They are deemed the right way and normal. People accept most of them unquestionably. 10. Folkways differ from mores in that they are less severely sanctioned and are not abstract principles. Folkways or customs may and sometimes do become difficult. They sometimes exact more energy than they conserve. 12. Every society has some many folkways. Even the most primitive society will have a few hundred folkways. In modern industrial society, they become even more numerous folkways involved. Importance of folkways. First, folkways are the basis of culture. Second important, they give us better understanding about particular culture. 3. They are regulative and exert pressure upon the individual and the group to conform to the norms. 4. They are most powerful and control the behavior of individuals in society even more than the state action. 5. Folkways are as indispensable to social life as language, and they serve much the same purpose. In conclusion, thus the folkways are symbol habit of action. Folkways are important means of social control in our society. Thank you. Have a nice day.